Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make garlic herb baby potatoes and green beans. Steam the potatoes until tender. In a separate steamer or pot, steam the green beans with the crushed garlic until just cooked. Remove the garlic and set the green beans aside. To make the vinaigrette, blend the steamed garlic with the olive oil, vinegar, mustard, fresh herbs, salt and pepper until smooth and creamy. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water if needed to thin the dressing. Toss the warm potatoes and green beans with the garlic herb vinaigrette until well coated. Sprinkle sliced toasted almonds over the dish as a garnish just before serving. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.